On behalf of the Sadhu Vaswani Akra Committee and Akra Sangat, I extend a warm welcome to you, Didi Gulshan Dudani. In spite of the time difference, you and our Sangat from all over the world has made time to grace us today on our flight of faith, 4 p.m. Accra time. We are indeed fortunate to have you with us today, Didi. In fact, she has been very, very blessed to spend time with our dear Dada since a very young age. Her devotion to Puja Dada shows clearly in her beautiful voice and in her hard work. She's a dynamic woman, head of the Gita Publishing House, organizes all book shows in India and all over the world. She has the most beautiful, contagious smile and laughter, which is absolutely contagious and which instantly warms you up and is like a de-stress tonic to all of us. Today on our Flight of Faith Satsang, we are excited to share experiences with Dada through music. I'm sure all of us will learn a lot about Anjani and Nuri Bhajans today in her musical journey, Once again, on behalf of the SVC committee and the Akra Sangat, I thank you for making time and gracing us today. Dada Shah.
साधु वासवानी's बाणी, नूरी बाणी, मन प्रबोध। एक नाम जो जो जपिए सो सो पावे प्रीतम रूप। नूरी गोविंद गाए मना करने वास मंझ ज्योत अनूप। मन छे माया मंच रख्यो उन तवे सार्यो राम नाम। नूरी गोविंद गाए मना भजन बिना सब कूड़ा काम। मोह माया जो अटक्यो आहे सो मूर्ख अंधो बेकाम। नूरी गोविंद गाए मना जीवन में जप राम नाम। जन्म जन्म भेट क्यों आही उतरी नाहे तृष्णा प्यास। नूरी गोविंद गाए मना भगवान बिना न काई आस। नूरी गोविंद गाए मना भगवान बिना न काई आस। श्री सुखमनी साहेब अष्टपदी अठी पौड़ी चौथी। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी एक ऊपर आस। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी का नहीं विनाश। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी के गरीबी समाहा। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी पर उपकार उमाहा। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी के नाही धंधा। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी ले धावत बंधा। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी के होय सुभला। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी सुफल फला। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी संग सगल उधार। नानक ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जपै सगल संसार। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी संग सगल उधार। नानक ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जपै सगल संसार। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जी हिक प्रभु में आहे आस। न ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जो कॾहिं भी थे थो नास। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी गरीबी या नम्रता में समायल आहे। ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जो परोपकार या सेवा में उमंग उत्साह आहे। ब्रह्मज्ञानीअ खे संसारी धंधो न आहे। ब्रह्मज्ञानी भिटकंदड़नि खे ॿधी काबू कयो आहे। ब्रह्मज्ञानी जेकी करे सो ॾाढो चङो आहे। ब्रह्मज्ञानीअ जे धंधनि ऐं कम जो नतीजो हितकारी आहे, ॿियनि खे फ़ाइदो पहुचाईंदड़ आहे। ब्रह्मज्ञानी जे संग में सभिनी जो उद्धार थिए थो। अहिड़े ब्रह्मज्ञानीअ खे सारो संसार पूॼे थो। दादा श्याम।
श्रीमद् भगवत गीता अध्याय 12 श्लोक 13। श्रीमद् भगवत गीता अध्याय 12 श्लोक 13। वैर भाव खां जो रहे थो परे, ऐं सभिनी जो मित्र। अभिमान ममता बिना खिम्यावान, दयालु रहे जो सदा संतोषी। ऐं सुख में ऐं दुख में आहे जो समान, यतन में रतन जो रहे थो पके निश्चय वारो। मन बुद्धि मुँह में जो अर्पण करे, सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। सोई भक्त में जो प्यारो। जिजे की न कहीं खान कहीं खेत जारे, ऐं चिंता खुशी का न्यारो। हसद नाहि जंहिंखे न की क्रोध को, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। इच्छा रहित जो पवित्र चतुर जो, ऐं चिंता बिना जो करे थो सुधारो। फल जी इच्छा सब पिछी जो करे, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। बिना हर्ष ऐं द्वेष त्यागे थो जो भलो ऐं बुरो। चिंता रहित जो न उमेदूं अॾे, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। शत्रु मित्र ऐं मान अपमान, थधि गर्मी ऐं सुख दुख सभिनी में समाभाव रखे थो। रहे राज़ी सब ते, निंदा स्तुतिअ में साॻीअ रीत हले थो। धन ज़र मिल्कत बिना, ऐं शांति को अस्थिर चित्त वारो। सब्र में रहे जो, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। सब्र में रहे जो, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। अमृत रूपी ज्ञान अमल में जो आने, सची अश्रद्धा वारो। वछे शरण मुंहिंजी, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। अमृत रूपी ज्ञान अमल में जो आने, सची अश्रद्धा वारो। वछे शरण मुंहिंजी, सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। सोई भक्त मुंहिंजो प्यारो। ओम तत्सत। ये श्रीमद् भगवत गीता उपनिषद ब्रह्म विद्या योग शास्त्र जो श्री कृष्ण संवाद जो भक्ति योग वारो 12 अध्याय पूरो थियो।
Vachan from Nuri Granth, page 690, Piri पाण पधारिया। वागूं वरियूं अखड़ियूं ठरियूं पिरी पाण पधारिया। जिन खां हुआसीं विछड़िया चरण तिन जाई पकड़िया पिरी पाण पधारिया। खणी नेण निमाणा आया रोशन राणा पिरी पाण पधारिया। काहे कुर्ब में आया थिया सफ़र सजाया पिरी पाण पधारिया। जुदाई वेई विसरी आई लहर लुत्फ जी तकड़ी पिरी पाण पधारिया। मुंहिंजा लाहूती लाल रहम में सद रिखपाल पिरी पाण पधारिया। अची पिक पियारियाऊं पोइ लिक कयाऊं पिरी पाण पधारिया। पेई नूरी पुकारियां रातिया ॻोढ़ा ॻारियां पिरी पाण पधारिया। दादा श्याम।
मुख महर निगाह
वनी की न सजना एक पल बि विसरी, वनी की न सजना एक पल बि विसरी, अची खोल प्रीतम दिल जी दरी, अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी, दिल जी दरी अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी, अची खोल प्रीतम दिल जी दरी, दरी खोल दादा त तोखे निहारिया, दरी खोल दादा त तोखे निहारिया, कमल मुखड़े तुंहिंजे खे पियो थो संभारिया, बिना तो त दुनिया सारी आहे वैरान, हुस्न तुंहिंजे में रहा शाल हैरान, वनी की न सजना एक पल बि विसरी, अची खोल प्रीतम दिल जी दरी, अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी, दिल जी दरी अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी, अची खोल प्रीतम दिल जी दरी, अकेली मां आया ओरिया तो सहार, अकेली मां आया ओरिया तो सहार, सजण साईं मुंहिंजा अची लह संभाल, सजण साईं मुंहिंजा अची लह संभाल, कमल कदमन में निधर खे विहार, अची नूरी ऊंधे में को पाणी पियार, अची नूरी ऊंधे में को पाणी पियार, वनी की न सजना एक पल बि विसरी, वनी की न सजना एक पल बि विसरी, अची खोल प्रीतम दिल जी दरी, अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी, दिल जी दरी अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी, अची खोल दादा दिल जी दरी.
Dada Sham, everybody. Our flight of faith journey has been an extremely inspiring one, giving each of us an immense source of renewed optimism to maintain our positivity during this worldwide pandemic. Over the past few months, a number of talented and spiritual souls who have been close to our beloved Dada have inspired and motivated us with their experiences. Today, we are again lucky to have with us another special person who is going to take us on a musical journey that promises to touch our souls and take us even more closer to Dada, Didi Gulshan Dudani. Didi, your presence here today is truly an honor for us, and we welcome you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you. Thank you, Monica. I'm not special person. I'm very, 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 very ordinary person at Dadal's feet.
Didi, when and where did you meet beloved Dada? And can you describe your feelings when you met him? Is there any bhajan that reminds you of your first meeting with him?
Well, Monica, we have not met Dada only in this birth. Many births we have been with Dada. the disciple's relation with Guru is not only of this birth, many births. Now, I must have met Dada in many, many births, but in this birth, Dada has been our ancestral Guru. My grandparents used to believe in Sadhu Vaswani, Dada JP Vaswani. And since Pune was my hometown, I used to live in Delhi. I used to come from Pune, from Delhi to Pune every year or 2 years to spend my summer vacation because Pune was our hometown. So as all elders would want that their children should come and bow down at Guru's feet. So we used to come to Dada.
Right.
And definitely that time I was not very attracted towards this spiritual life. I used to come, bow down to Dada. And that is how, when I used to go back to Delhi and I used to have any problem, my exams problem, I used to write letters to Dada. Dada used to reply me and used to give me the prayer, that which prayer you should say when you should. So like that relation I used to have that time. But when I finished my graduation, I'm talking about Delhi time, when I finished my graduation, after that 1 year or 2 years, it so happened that one good night I was sleeping, very good day it was for me, and very nicely I went off to sleep that day. But middle of the night, I feel now as though Dada came and held me by the ear. Gulshan, get up. Time is up. Enough is enough. You have had your time. Now get up. And I get up with a jerk. I did not see Dada that time, but I get up with a jerk, with a severe, extremely urge to go to Dada right away. So I tell my parents, take me to Dada now. So they start laughing at me. What happened to you? You were fast asleep. Middle of the night, you're getting up and you're telling us to take to Dada. Tomorrow morning, we'll make you talk to Dada on the phone. You don't worry. No, I want to go to Dada now. Severe urge was there in me. I don't know what Dada did to me at that time. And I started crying. I told my father, and me being the only daughter of my parents after my 3 brothers. So they became very worried, at that time. What happened to her suddenly? So they said, tomorrow, let the next day come and we will put you to sleep. I was, I think, 19 or 20 years, 18 or 19 years that time. Next day, they made me talk to Dada over the phone. This condition has become of Gulshan. What to do now? Dada talked to me on the phone. And Dada gave me a prayer. But the moment I kept the receiver, again that urge came. I have to go to Dada. It's a big story. Time is less with us. I will just briefly tell you that after 3, 4, 5 days, I told my parents, I can't live anymore here. You have to send me to Pune, and I cannot go in train. 24 hours in a train I can't spend. I have to go by air. That was the first time I sat in the plane, and my mother said, I will come with you. I cannot leave you alone. So my mother and me, we came there. That time the flight never used to be from Delhi to Pune direct. It was from Delhi to Bombay. The moment I reached Bombay, I felt the urge is subsided because I felt I'm going to meet my beloved after 4 hours. And when I reached Pune by train, from Bombay to Pune train, it was 8:15, what I remember. This is, I'm talking about 1978, 1979. Wow. So I come to Pune, I enter the gate and I'm saying, where is Dada? Where is Dada? So I see Dada was at Sacred Samadhi with Sangat, and he was praying and he was doing the agarbatti. So I went running to Dada. People were stopping me. Where are you running? Where Dada is praying? I said, okay, let it be. But I went and stood next to Dada and I told Dada, Dada, I have come. Dada, I have come. And that time Dada looks at me, looks into my eyes as though the mission is fulfilled. What he wanted, he got it. And he took me, he kept his hand on my head and he took me from Samadhi. He walked me through the old building. We used to have old building, and he took me upstairs in Kutia, in Sadhu Vaswani's Kutia. He made me stand up before Dada's Kutia, Dada's Seja, and he prayed for me to Sadhu Vaswani. And after that, I got knit with Dada at close quarter. And as though Dada came to me, came to my house to take me. Gulshan, enough your time with fun-loving world, and you are very chillvilly. You wanted to be in the world, but the time is up here, and you have to come to me now. So I came to Dada, and since then, I have been staying here. Now, relevant to this story, I have a song to sing for you people. हिन बेबकाजे राह में दोस्त दिल भर मुँह मिलो, दोस्त दिल भर मुँह मिलो, जन मन चापोर्या साब प्यार, जन मन चापोर्या साब प्यार, वक्त में जो आहे खुलियो, दोस्त दिल भर मुँह मिलियो, पाण अची गोले लधाऊं, पाण अची गोले लधाऊं, घर में जे आया घेरी, घर में जे आया घेरी, किया मन्यामा मेहरबानियों, किया मन्यामा मेहरबानियों, पेरन संदन में प्यस केरी, ओ पेरन संदन में प्यस केरी, हिन बेबकाजे राह में दोस्त दिल भर मुँह मिलियो, दोस्त दिल भर मुँह मिलियो.
Beautiful. दादा रियली घर में घिरी करे या
घर में घिरी आयो ऐं मूंखे अची निंड में उथारियईं. So I wanted to sing this song relevant to this.
So beautiful, Didi. Really, so relevant to this. So beautiful.
Yes.
So, Didi, they say Guru is love and discipline. So, is there any bhajan that or any story, actually, or both, that you can share with us that describes this?
Yes. Dada was full love, total love, and he loved me so dearly. But when the question of discipline came, he wanted discipline fully. Because when I came to Dada new, I had the habit of laughing very loudly. So he never used to like that. He used to tell me in Sindhi, छोकरियों थोड़ी इतनी जोर सां खिलंदियूं आहिनि, आस्ते खिलंदियूं आहिनि, आस्ते खिलण सिख. But since this habit was in me to laugh very loudly, Dada's advice I used to hear, but I somehow could not do it. So he bore with me that thing for many, many months, I think. So once he told me, Gulshan, still I can hear your laughter very, very loud. I think if you laugh loudly for 5 times, 5 count, only then you can enter my room. Other than, if you laugh more than 5 times, you cannot enter my room. So I had real control over my laughter, but I started feeling that I'm leading an unnatural life of mine, True. But then I listened to Dada and I said, Dada, jiyan hukum Dada, I will try my best. He could feel that I am controlling over my laughter. He used to crack so many jokes in regular life, when he's meeting other people, but I had to control. I did control. On this, I will tell you a song. Guru love bhi aahe, Guru discipline bhi aahe, kadai kiya ta kadai kiya. Yeah, but he is very sweet to our heart.
Lovely.
मालिक मिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो, मालिक मिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो, हुन जहिड़ो सुम्हूं ॿियो की न ॾिठो, हुन जहिड़ो सुम्हूं ॿियो की न ॾिठो, की प्यारन खांब समझे प्यारो कॾहिं ॾेखारे आया धारियो कॾहिं प्यारन खांब समझे प्यारो कॾहिं मिले जीअं मिले लाल गोपाल कॾहिं मिले जीअं मिले लाल गोपाल कॾहिं रुआरे करे बेहाल मिठो 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 दादल मिठो 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 दादल मिठो ओ मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो ओ दादल मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो ओ मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो 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 दादल मिठो 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 दादल मिठो मिठो ओ मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो.
Wow, so beautiful. Really, Dada was really so mittu, as we say in English, the
Very, very
bees.
sweet.
Yes, the way the bees go over the honeycomb, the same way, we all feel that
Yes.
we get drawn towards him.
But whenever Dada became strict also with us to
Ji.
improve us, and
Ji.
he wanted that our egos should be clashed, which has not happened, but
Ji.
his aim was that. So he used to be strict with us at times, but very lovingly, he used to again call us, love us, make us sit next to him. So he was full love. Dada was full love. He is love.
He is love.
Yes.
So true. So very true. So the way we all are drawn towards him, I'm sure, even you have always, you were also drawn towards him. So can you sing this emotion for us? We are just loving your singing. So if you can sing
Yeah.
that emotion, how you were drawn towards him.
Dada, like I told you, Dada used to tell us, Monica,
Ji.
that the disciple, the pupil thinks that he or she has found a guru, but
Ji.
it's other way around. Guru
Right.
goes in search of a disciple. He does his kripa, and he used to tell us again and again, never say the disciple is destined to come to Guru. Never. Guru's kripa brings disciple at the feet of the Guru. That is because of Guru's kripa, any disciple goes to Guru.
Goes to the
And there was not a one thing which drew me to Dada, full Dada, as Dada is. As I opened my eyes, as though I was drenched in his love. I was enveloped in his arms of love. Yes, there is a song I can think of
Ji.
relating to this. This is from one of the latest album. I will sing. मुंहिंजा प्रभु मात एक तुंहिंजी एक तुंहिंजी आहियां दादल तुंहिंजी आहियां मुंहिंजा प्रभु मात एक तुंहिंजी एक तुंहिंजी आहियां दादल तुंहिंजी आहियां संसार सारे में ना का चीज मां चाहियां तुंहिंजी मां तुंहिंजी एक तुंहिंजी आहियां तुंहिंजी मां तुंहिंजी एक तुंहिंजी आहियां एक तुंहिंजी तुंहिंजी आहियां दादल तुंहिंजी तुंहिंजी आहियां मुंहिंजा प्रभु माता एक तुंहिंजी आहियां दादल तुंहिंजी आहियां तो बिन ॿियो मां कीन सुञाणा एक तोखे पछाणा तो बिन ॿियो मां कीन सुञाणा एक तोखे पछाणा कुछ आही, तू ही मुंहिंजो सब कुछ आही, मुंहिंजो दोस्त दिलबर दादल साईं, तुंहिंजी मां तुंहिंजी एक तुंहिंजी आहियां, तुंहिंजी मां तुंहिंजी एक तुंहिंजी आहियां, मुंहिंजा प्रभु मात एक तुंहिंजी आहियां, दादल तुंहिंजी आहियां.
Wow. Ik twinji aaya. We are all his.
Yeah.
So beautiful, Didi. So beautiful. Since this is a musical journey, can you share with us any mantra or bhajan or dhuni that was close to Dada, or something that Dada particularly loved?
When you're asking me about the mantra which Dada would want us again and again, very often Dada gave us the mantra of Maha Mantra. And Dada used to himself like to recite when he used to make us sing Maha Mantra. He used to sing with us. I will sing for you.
Sure.
Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Oh, so beautiful, Didi. This was so beautiful.
This was the mantra which Dada used to give us. And again he would tell us, if you don't know any mantra, if you have not been given any mantra, you take the oath of Maha Mantra. And then he used to make us sing. So this was his favorite mantra, I would say, favorite dhuni. In his talks, many a times he has mentioned about this mantra.
Wow. Really nice. Thanks so much for sharing this with us, Didi.
Yes.
Didi, as everyone knows, 25th November is celebrated as Meatless Day. Can you share something about Meatless Day, how it started? If anyone wants to pledge, to go meatless that day, how and when, where do they do it? And also, if you can share with us how you turned vegetarian, and also, of course, if there is any bhajan or Nuri or Anjali Bani
Nuri,
regarding,
now
yeah,
everybody I think must be knowing whenever
ji,
any bhajan ends with Nuri word, that means
ji,
that bhajan is written by a Sadhu Vaswani.
right,
And whenever any bhajan, last line or second last line, it comes Anjali in the
ji,
full line, that means it is written by Dada J.P. Vaswani. That is
right,
their pen name. That is their pen
right,
name. Yeah. Um, First, I will tell you how I became vegetarian.
sure.
I used to really like non-vegetarian food when I was in Delhi,
Mhm.
right? But in our house, my parents, first they used to eat, but when they came in company of both the saints, they gave up non-vegetarian food. But that time, we children grew up and we started having the liking for non-vegetarian food. So in
Mhm.
our house, it was not allowed non-vegetarian food. I used to go out. My brothers would take me out in a restaurant and we used to eat non-veg food. And I really used to be very, very fond of non-veg food at that time before coming to Dada. So how I became vegetarian, what I remember now, after my high school, I had come for long period for my vacation for 2 months. But I
Mhm.
stayed more time in Bombay and less time in Pune. So when I came to Pune, I came to satsang, and during that time, some scheme in our St. Miran school was going on,
Mhm.
that they gave the forms to the students that you have to turn people vegetarian from 25th November, Sadhu Vaswani's birthday, till 16th of January, Sadhu Vaswani's Mahayagna, his
Ji.
anniversary.
Mhm.
So I was given a form. When I came to Pune, I came in the mission. My friend that time, she came forward and she gave me a form. She said, Gulshan, you have come from Delhi. I know you love non-veg food. Can you give up for this period, 25th November, from 25th November to 16th of January? I
Ji.
said, yeah, I will do it. Why not? This is little time. I can. So I filled the form and I gave it to her. I think after that, after 16th January got over, I did not eat. And very soon
Mhm.
I came to Pune. And after coming to Pune, I think with living with Dada in his close quarters, I really started observing the things which Dada was not eating. In this cake, egg is there, he will not eat. In this dessert, something is there, he will not eat. So I started observing those rules. So I
Mhm.
have become vegetarian since then.
Wow.
But then November 25, this the world knows that this is Sadhu Vaswani's birthday. We observe as Meatless Day.
Ji.
Dada has written a very good note on this, which I would like to read.
Sure.
Yeah, I would like
Ji.
to read in Dada's
Ji.
words. Dada says this deep awareness of the need for reverence for all life formed a very essential part of Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani's teachings and has been propagated emphatically by the Sadhu Vaswani mission. In 1986, we inaugurated the International Meatless Day campaign, which seeks to initiate an awareness of reverence for all forms of life by appealing to the people to abstain from all food of violence on November 25, Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani's birthday. So, Dada further says, the Sadhu Vaswani mission is also committed to the building of a new world order based on the principle of non-violence and reverence for all life. To this end, we have established the SAK, Stop All Killing Association, based on the philosophy expounded by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani, who is hailed as a prophet of compassion and a modern day saint. So we observe this day as Meatless Day. Many people, lakhs of people, they pledge that they will be observing this day as Meatless Day. They will keep their food away from food of violence. and we receive many pledges. But now during this time, when the time difficult has come, people cannot go from one place to another to collect the pledges. We have formed one Google form, and people can easily fill in the Google form. The pledges are reaching us, and they can sign their pledges in the Google form, and the pledges will come to us.
Mhm. Lovely.
Acha, you want bhajan?
Yes, please.
Okay. This Sadhu Vaswani has written, yeah. जीव दया जी ज्योत जगायो, सिंध हिंद के पैगाम सुनायो। जीव दया जी ज्योत जगायो, सिंध हिंद के पैगाम सुनायो। नवेसर में वधिक विहो, पसुन पख्युन के प्यार दियो। मांस मछिया खा रहो परे, हिंसा हिंद मां कड़ो तरे। नूरी ने माणी उनाए पुकार, सुन सुड कन संधि ही अललकार। नूरी ने माणी उनाए पुकार, सुन सुड कन संधि ही अललकार। जीव दया जी ज्योत जगायो, सिंध हिंद के पैगाम सुनायो। जीव दया जी ज्योत जगायो, सिंध हिंद के पैगाम सुनायो।
Wow. So beautiful. I really hope everybody, please do pledge, send in your pledges, and go meatless if you're not vegetarian already, just at least for that one day.
And get Dada Sadhu Vaswani's blessings on that day. You know, this vegetarianism was so very dear to Dada's heart. So I would love to tell this thing here.
Please.
You know, many big programs used to take place, but Dada did not mind to go far beyond the time scheduled just to make people vegetarian. When somebody used to come forward and used to tell Dada, I want to talk about vegetarianism and I want to make the Sangat vegetarian. So Dada used to tell him, okay, go ahead. And he never minded that the time is up for my satsang to get over, but he gave preference for vegetarianism. So when his birthday, 100th birthday, we were preparing for the programs, big programs. So Dada was somehow not liking that my birthday should be celebrated, 100th birthday. He used to, Dada was humility personified, you know, as you all know. Dada was so humble, so very humble. He wouldn't want all the big programs to take place for his 100th birthday. He used to tell us, you people do the programs here for my 100th birthday. I'm going for 3 days somewhere. I will not be here at this place. So I asked Dada, what will make you happy for your 100th birthday? How we should celebrate? In one line, he gave me the answer. To turn as many people vegetarian as possible, that will be celebration of my 100th birthday. So this was so much dear to Dada's heart, vegetarianism. He would want the whole world should become vegetarian. You know.
So true. Lovely. Such a beautiful thought. Is there, Didi, any Sindhi tune or bhajan that describes your emotion for Dada as he left his physical body?
Dada's all songs, they really put emotion in my heart when I'm singing. Somehow I get lost in the Dada's Bani when I'm singing, as I'm singing for him. Dada has left us physically, but Dada continues to be with us, around us, within us. We can feel his presence. But yes, there is a bhajan. There is a bhajan which I will sing. व्यासाल गुजरी वेठी तो लाए निहारा व्यासाल गुजरी वेठी तो लाए निहारा अथम दर्द दिल में पीतो पुकारा अथम दर्द दिल में पीतो पुकारा दादा प्यारा दादा दादा मिठा दादा किथे तोखे गोल्या 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 व्यासाल गुजरी वेठी तो लाए निहारा फिर भात पर दे करया तो सागाल्यो विल्हन गोढ़ा गार्या अखियों में जुआल्यों दीहा जो करया मां वेठी कम कार वर वर अंदर मां उथे एक पुकार दादा प्यारा दादा दादा मिठा दादा किथे तोखे गोल्या 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 व्यासाल गुजरी वेठी तो लाए निहारा व्यासाल गुजरी वेठी तो लाए निहारा
This was so,
Heart
so
becomes full.
heartwarming.
The heart
I
becomes
know,
full.
so heartwarming.
And thinking of
It's
Dada,
true.
his wordings,
But
yeah.
he's there.
His
He's
wordings, yeah. Dada has written this song. You will see Dada's
Beautiful.
Anjali Sangrah, like how we have Nuri Granth, we have Anjali Sangrah,
Ji.
compilation of Dada's
Right.
songs. All Dada's
Mhm.
songs, you will see, they are in longing, deep longing for his Guru. So these wordings are, you know, heart piercing.
Yeah.
When Dada, when you read Anjali Sangrah, the full Anjali Sangrah, his each line, I find it's very, 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 very heart piercing.
Yeah. You know, I actually had goosebumps when you were singing this. So
Yeah.
beautiful.
The
So
full
beautiful.
song, when you hear,
Ji.
it's very touching. It's very touching because the time is less.
Ji.
So I'm singing one stanza of the songs which you are telling me to sing.
Sure. But we'll have you soon again. So we'll have some more. Okay, Didi, which was the first Nuri or Anjali Gi that you sang?
Yeah. You know, first, when I came to Dada in 1979, what I remember,
Mhm.
I think 1982 or 81, Dada made the program of going for a yatra trip to Bangalore.
Ji.
And Dada used to go by train that time
Mhm.
because, and Dada used to sit in third class, not
Oh.
AC, not first class, not second class, third class.
Mhm.
So I also told Dada, I want to join you. I want to come to Bangalore.
Okay.
So Dada said, why not? So
Mhm.
I was traveling with Dada in the train. And it so happened when Dada used to do overnight traveling, Dada used to do regular satsang of evening, like how we have satsang here in Pune, 6:45 in the evening. In the
Ji.
train also, Dada used to observe that satsang time, 6:45 to 7:45. he used to be sitting on the bench and he would start satsang. So we used to sit on the floor of the train, of the compartment. We used to sit on the floor. So Dada knew who all are sitting near me, in the compartment where Dada. So Dada used to tell one by one, now you sing, now you sing. I was very new. Like I'm telling you, I have come to Dada 1979. This is in 1981 or 82. So I sat on the floor, and with me, few sisters was also sitting. So when Dada looked at me and Dada told me, Ishare se, now you sing. I don't know from where so I don't remember now from where that song came to me, and I sang that song which I'm singing now. And it was so difficult song, but I sang. This difficult song which Dada told me to, Dada didn't give me this song to sing, but Dada told me sing bhajan. So I sang this bhajan first, which I'm singing.
Ji.
अद्यों मुखे चो ना कुछ, अद्यों मुखे चो ना कुछ, मोहब्बत में हैरत में आया हैरान, अद्यों मुखे चो ना कुछ, मोहब्बत में त्यस मस्तान, लगो अथम तीर तन में जो दवा उनजी के था त्यस मस्तान, अद्यों मुखे चो ना कुछ, मोहब्बत में त्यस मस्तान, मोहब्बत में त्यस मस्तान.
Didi, tell us which Noori Anjali Granth Noori Anjali Geet that you sang in Dada's presence has left you with very sweet and fond memories of him.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm drinking water because I need
Please,
water.
please, I know.
You are making me sing so many bhajans, so I need to drink again and again, okay? Okay, I'm singing, which really, really Dada enjoyed singing. I hope the technical problem doesn't come and you all enjoy Dada's favorite bhajan. रात्यों जागी, रात्यों जागी, रात्यों जागी प्यो तोखे पुकार्या, रात्यों जागी प्यो तोखे पुकार्या, तुंहिंजे अचण जो वाटो निहार्या, बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी तुंहिंजी बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी तुंहिंजी बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी, रात्यों जागी, रात्यों जागी, निंद निड़न मां थी वई गुम, दिल जे अंदर आ दर्द ऐं गम, दर ते खुड़को उथे दर खोलिया, उम्मीदों अंदर में ना कैसे बोलिया, बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी तुंहिंजी बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी तुंहिंजी बुख अथमिक तुंहिंजी, रात्यों जागी, रात्यों जागी,
Lovely, lovely, so beautiful.
Yeah, dear.
It was beautiful, Didi. Really, really nice. But before we go on, we have to have our rapid fire, as we always have a rapid fire question, and we are really enjoying you singing, and it's so soulful and so beautiful. So before we end this, we will do the rapid fire, and this time we'll do it a little bit different.
Okay.
So this time, normally what happens is when I say a word or we say a few words, the other person normally replies in one word. But
Okay.
because you're singing so well and so beautifully, we want you to sing the first bhajan or song that comes to your mind. So when I say a word or a couple of words, you will sing the first bhajan or song that comes to your mind. So are we ready for this evening's musical rapid fire session? So the first word, Didi, Noori.
Noori.
Ji.
तो बिन नूरी की अजिया, तो बिन नूरी की अजिया, हुन भर जमुना किनारे, आहे किर प्यो थो पुकारे, प्यार प्यो प्यो पुकारे, तो बिन नूरी की अजिया, तो बिन नूरी की अजिया.
I am really sorry. I think there are major connectivity issues. Please do bear with us. I'm sure Didi will be back on soon. Yes, she's back.
Sham.
Yes.
Dada Sham.
Dada Sham. Didi, we can hear you now.
You can hear me?
Yes, please. Okay, the next one, Didi, grace of God.
Grace of God, that is Kirpa. Okay.
Kirpa.
एक कणों कृपा जो काफी, एक कणों कृपा जो घूम्यो आया गिरजा मस्जिद मंदिर, पाए एक प्यास आयो आया, अथम जाग्या सिंधु समंदर, करया दीदार दिल अंदर, एक कणों के पाजो काफी, 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 एक कणों के पाजो काफी.
Opportunity.
Opportunity is Vajj. Okay. Then for this, I think it should go Vajj Milyoti. I will sing.
Ji.
वज मिलियो अथई मसे मसे, सो वज प्यारा की न विन्याय, वज मिलियो अथई मसे मसे, सो वज प्यारा की न विन्याय, वखर वठण जो आए हितड़े, वखर वठण जो आए हितड़े, सो वखर हर रोज तू कमाए, सो वखर हर रोज तू कमाए, वज मिलियो अथई मसे मसे, वज मिलियो अथई मसे मसे.
Lovely, lovely. Human birth. Okay, I think she's gone off again. Okay, please do wait. I hope you all are enjoying Didi's soulful and beautiful singing. She's back with us.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
This is giving problem.
Ji.
But I'm really very sorry. I don't know what has gone wrong here. But now, give me 1 second.
Sure, Didi. Sure.
Yeah, Monica, tell me another
Ji.
word.
Human birth.
मानुष चोलो मिलियो तोखे, करी दिल में तू दीदार, अंदर अंदर विच दिल मंदर, अजीबन जो अथी इसरार, मानुष चोलो मिलियो तोखे, क्या कम तो कया केड़ा, कमन जो कम विसारियो तो, गिरी दिल जे अंदर प्यारा, पाण डिकी न निहारियो तो, मानुष चोलो मिलियो तोखे, मानुष चोलो मिलियो तोखे.
Lovely. Love.
That is my favorite bhajan. प्यार ही रस्तो प्यार ही राह, प्यार बिना ना ॿियो कुछ आ, प्यार ही ईश्वर प्यार अल्लाह, प्यार बिना ना ॿियो कोछा, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ॾे हली पहुचो पार, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही सच ॿियो सभु आहे कूड़, प्यार ही नूरीअ जो आहे नूर, प्यार में अंजलि पाण विञाए, प्रीतम प्यारो खिन में पाए, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ॾे हली पहुचो पार, हिक हिक खेॾियो प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही प्यार, प्यार ही प्यार.
Lovely. And Dada.
दादा
जी.
एक तो खे पुकारिया, एक तो लाइ निहारिया, एक तो खे पुकारिया दादा, एक तो लाइ निहारिया, एक तो खे पुकारिया दादा दादा, एक तो लाइ निहारिया, दुनिया दुखिया हीअ दिल बुखिया, दुनिया दुखिया हीअ दिल बुखिया, तुंहिंजो नाम गाया अच तोखे पाया, तुंहिंजो नाम गा अच तोखे पाया, दिलहन बोझाए बार, हीअ दिल थे बहार, दिलहन बोझाए बार, हीअ दिल थे बहार, एक तोखे पुकारिया दादा, एक तो लाइ निहारिया, एक तोखे पुकारिया दादा, एक तो लाइ निहारिया.
Beautiful. So lovely, Didi. So lovely. सच्ची भुखिया आयु, असा भी भुखिया आयु कि let this, we would want this evening to just go on and on, but I know it's late for you
Dada's
as well.
Bani is so good.
So true, Didi. So true. Really, it's been so inspiring, Didi, being in conversation with you over this musical journey. Your love and faith for Dada was there for all of us to see in all your bhajans. And your truly melodious voice took us even more closer to Dada today. So thank you so much, Didi, for sharing your precious time with us.
Thank you, Monica, but I'm very sorry. At our
Yes.
end, the internet connection was giving us problem.
Please
Very,
don't
very
worry,
sorry.
Didi. It does happen. These
Thank you
people
so
issues.
much.
Please, Didi. It was really a pleasure having you with us.
For me too.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you.
We all hope you enjoyed this beautiful session with Didi, especially, her musical rapid fire, the love and Dada sessions. A rapid fire round is not just fun, but it also opens the window to a person. So let's together now open a window to see our beloved Dada in this rapid fire round with Karan Johar. Dada's humor, love, wittiness, and purity of soul is so visible for all to see. The simple way in which he answers just leaves us wanting for more. As Didi said, we are bhukyas. Yes, we are hungry for Dada's love. So together, let us savor the simplicity and humility of Dada. Dada Shah.
I have a few quick questions which I call the rapid fire round, and I can't believe I'm getting the opportunity to do this spiritual rapid fire round. There are very few questions, Dada. Dada, if I had to ask you, what does freedom mean to you?
Freedom does not mean doing what you want to do or what you wish to do, but what you should do.
If you had to describe peace in your own words, what would they be?
Contentment.
Contentment. Describe, Dada, your mission in one word. One word.
Divinity.
Who or what makes you smile instantly?
My mother's presence. My mother is God.
Dada, what is your biggest strength?
Truth.
Is it more important, Dada, to love what you are doing or do what you love?
Do what you love.
Most important. What, Dada, is the one thing that is essential to living a balanced life? And what is the one thing we must absolutely do away with to lead a balanced life? The one thing to lead a balanced life first. What is the one thing we need?
Faith.
Faith. And what should we do away with?
Ego.
Ego, yes. And Dada, how would you describe love in your own words? Love.
I would not describe. I would tell you. Love in words is not worth it.
Dada, what is the one thing you enjoy but you wish you had more time for?
I get sufficient time for whatever. I never suffer. Yeah. Work and time, they direct.
That's true. Dada, what is the one book that you love?
Heart. Book of the heart.
Book of the heart. And what is the one thing, Dada, that surprises you the most?
That surprises me.
What is the one thing that surprises
This
you?
meeting. Rest of time. Except those who will carry God within their heart. Have some link with God. This is all that I have to say. Supposing I were to ask you, what is your link with God? What is God to you? Not many of you would be able to answer. Develop, cultivate a link of love and devotion with God. Tell Him, you are my mother. He is prepared to become your mother. Tell Him, you are my father. You are my brother. You are my friend. He is prepared to become anything that you want him to become.
Thank you, Dada. And before we completely round this off, I have a must-ask last question to you that we all would like to know. That if after leaving this evening's program, after we go home, we remember only one practical tip or one most important spiritual practice and make it part of our lives, what do you think, Dada, that should be?
Bring God back into your life.
Bring God back into your life.
Dada Sham, everyone, thank you to all our Sangat who has joined us today on our flight of faith. Thank you, dearest Gulshan Didi, for this musical journey of Noori and Anjali Geets that have touched our hearts. Such a warm and heartfelt gratitude to you for giving us beloved Dada's darshan from the mission as well. Dada Sham, Gulshan Didi, and we hope we have you back with us on our flight of faith sometime next month for sure. Dada Sham, everyone.
Thank you.
It's time for Ardas, and we request Gulshan Didi to kindly start off the Ardas for us. Thank you.
प्रभु तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है, करते हो तुम प्रभु जी, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। दादा तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है, तकलीफ और तंगी में नूरी एक तो ही मददगार, उठाए हैं अंजलि के जन्मों के सारे भार, करता नहीं मैं कुछ भी, सब काम हो रहा है, करते हो तुम दादा, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। दादा तेरी ही कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है, ओ सब काम हो रहा, ओ सब काम हो रहा है। Dada Sham.
Now let us wish those having their birthdays. Vadai ho vadai, Jarna ko vadai, vadai ho vadai, Sara ko vadai, करे सिमरन सेवा करे जीवन सजाई, करे सिमरन सेवा करे जीवन सजाए, वादाई हो वादाई प्यारी संगत को वादाई, वादाई हो वादाई प्यारी संगत को वादाई, करे सिमरन सेवा करे जीवन सजाई, करे सिमरन सेवा करे जीवन सजाई. Please do join us next Friday on our Flight of Faith Satsang on Friday 4 p.m. Accra time. Dada Sham.